My friend, please turn that phone off. Please turn the phone off. Thank you.
Here we are.
We are on the jacuzzi.
Okay. This is the secret base. La base
It's the
secreta.
map of the secret base. The map. We need to find it before Kylo Ren finds Jedi or Sith?
I'm Jedi, and you?
Skywalker.
Skywalker?
Yeah.
Which one you prefer? Darth Vader or Skywalker?
I prefer Skywalker.
Kylo Ren or Rey?
Kylo Ren.
You like it more?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at the video now? Okay. You can take it if you want. Let's go. It's something up. Somebody look like a Lord too.
Okay.
I get that. BB-8. It's an Indian
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Jet doors opening now.
Securing all recruits to transport. No need to safety here. It'll be a smooth ride.
Wow.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for
Right,
Pokhara.
They're opening the door.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
They're opening the door.
Pokhara personnel, this is your final call.
All the way in there, Chris, all the way in.
Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
No operatorio on hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive means you're gonna need out of view.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
View.
Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold recruits. All ships, launch! I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on mile 1.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Star Destroyers!
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get out there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
By the order of Supreme Leader Kylo Ren, you are now under the command of the First Order. You will disembark immediately and proceed to the right for processing and interrogation. Now get out.
Two, you're gonna go along the wall, single file right here. How many? One. You're gonna follow the center line straight down. 5. Follow the center line straight down. Moving their heads.
I believe in you, baby.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Hey, they saved us!
They save us.
Yeah! Let's go, team.
Let's go left to right and left to right only and secure all cargo at your feet.
Hey, we have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Alright, front row, pull the yellow strap on your right. Back row, pull the yellow straps on your right. Put your arms up. Put your arms down, squat your left, go over closing. You're ready to lose cargo, you guys don't want to lose. This is R5, we'll get you out of here.
Very excited.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! It's bad! Oh, it's real bad!
Oh no. Uh-oh. Almost.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Oh no.
Nowhere to run.
Attention! All resistance personnel! Abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This destroyer's about!
Your efforts are wasted.
You cannot escape me! Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Please.
Woo!
Please stay seated. A cast member will assist you shortly.
Make sure that we don't leave anything behind.
Go ahead, little one. See? You're okay.
Thank you.
You just form a single file line. My friend, please turn that phone off. Please turn the phone off. Thank you.